Hi guys, and welcome to Becoming the Butterfly. I'm Tamika Nicole. I am the voice behind Becoming the Butterfly, and I thought I'd come on today and just wish you a beautiful 2022. I want to thank you for your support thus far on the channel, and I hope to create more videos that will enlighten you, that will help you to heal, that will help you to love and be calm and to soothe you. And in this video, I'm going to do a sound bowl clearing tune for you so that you can clear out and get prepared and in a positive energy flow for the 2022 calendar year. Thank you so much for your support. You guys have been amazingly awesome, and I am so humbled by the beautiful souls who show up and support me every week as I move to clear that space for us so that we can be nice and calm and rejuvenated and ready to live our best lives. So thank you again for all of your support. I hope to create beautiful content for you in the future, and I hope to see you soon. Tell me in the comments below how you will be creating an intentional calm space for yourself in the new year. Thank you again for your support, and I look forward to seeing you all soon. Happy 2022.